guys, welcome to another video of SolidWorks designing. In this video we are going to design a golf ball. Let us open the SolidWorks app, click new file, select part and give OK. Before starting to draw, let us first make sure that we work on the desired unit system. I'm changing this to millimeter gram second. Okay, select front plane, give sketch, and let us first draw the 2D sketch of the 3D model that we are going to draw. Standard size of a golf ball is 42.67, so 21.335. .335 again, and let us close. Okay, after drawing this, let us use a revolved base, select this line, and yes, we got the one half of the golf ball. And after drawing this, click on the color menu and let us select plastic high gloss, and let us give a blue color so that it will be easy to view some of the cuts that we are going to draw on this face. Okay, and after drawing this, now select the right plane and going to draw the spherical cut on this face that you observe on the face of the ball. Giving sketch, selecting a center line from here to here. Okay, and after drawing this, I'm just taking a normal line, giving 1.5 randomly. Okay, and giving convert entities and selecting the layout edge so that I have a curve on this, and I'm selecting line. Okay, let me draw a center line, horizontal line. This is horizontal. Okay. Let me click this line and this one, and make sure they are tangential. And let us do the smart dimensions, giving 1, and from here to here I'm giving about 2. Okay, and after this, let us use trim tool to remove the unwanted sketches. Okay, then let's give a revolved cut using this line, and yes, we got the cut. So this is the cut, spherical cut that you observe on the face of the ball. It gives a grip for us to hold the ball properly. Okay, after this, make the 3 planes visible. Okay, now select reference, take axis. First select front plane and top plane. We got one axis. Again select axis, front plane and right plane. We got another axis. Again select the axis, select front plane and top plane. We got another axis. After this, just hide the 3 planes. Okay, now we are going to pattern this in this direction. Okay, for that let's take a circular pattern. First select this direction. Okay, giving 2, 15. The feature that I'm going to first pattern is the cut revolve. Give OK. Like this we have to do this pattern of cut revolve. Again select this axis 1. Make sure you select the cut revolve, not the circular pattern that you have drawn in the previous step. If it is selected, make sure you clear it and select the cut revolve, and do this for subsequent steps till this edge. Okay, now let us give 30. Okay, now you can see that this cut revolve is made with respect to this plane for about 30 degrees inclination. Again select cut revolve, make sure the angle is 45, increase in steps of 15 degrees, and select direction 1. Again do the same thing again, circular pattern, clear this cut revolve, increase by angle by 15 degrees, 60, select the direction, this one, yes. Once again select the direction, increase the angle by 15, clear this and select the cut revolve. Final pattern, select this direction, increase the angle by 15 degree, 90, clear this, select cut revolve, yes. And that's it, we got the spherical cut on one quadrant of this face. And what we are going to do is we are going to make a circular pattern around with respect to this axis, and make a 360 degree pattern around this axis. So okay, let's select circular pattern, select this axis, give 360 degree and increase the count to 6. Select this circular pattern 1, give OK. Again we are going to do the same thing, circular pattern, select this axis, clear this pattern and give, and you can directly select like this. Okay, and increase the count to 12. Again circular pattern, select this axis, increase the count to 18, clear this, select this. Circular pattern, increase the count to 24 and select fourth one. Let me adjust it to 21 to give a little bit of gap between the adjacent cuts. Again select this axis, give circular pattern, increase the count to 23 or 24 as per your wish, yes, and OK. Again axis, circular pattern, increase to about 26 and do this, yes. Now we have got the spherical cuts on the face of the golf ball. Next thing that we are going to do is select the top plane and just mirror this. and give OK. Let us hide the axis. Okay, after this we are just going to give a simple fillet. Let me click 0.5 and I'm just selecting this face so that every spherical edges is selected, and just give OK. That's it guys, our golf ball is designed. It looks clean and perfect. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you like it. You can also go to SolidWorks add-ins, go to Photos 360 and wait for the render tool to load and just give final render. That's it.